Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to auto-generate subtitles in CapCut PC. So first, you just have to open your CapCut and then drag the specific video right here. Now what you're going to do is you just have to go to the text option, tap this text option right here, and then scroll down till you see this auto caption. Tap this one. Now auto caption source language, you can change the language right here, but this time let's just use English. And then after that, tap create. Wait as it is creating auto captions. And here, so as you can see, this is how you auto generate subtitles in CapCut. You can change the font by tapping the font and then change the font right here. You can also change the color, style, and other settings here. And that's it. And here's the result. So that's how you auto-generate subtitles in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.